magandang araw po sa lahat. Mayong adlaw Cebu. So, yan lang guys. Yan ang ating cherry dyan. Dyan siya. Namunga na yan. This spring season si cherry guys. So, abangers tayo sa aking video dyan sa pag-harvest. Ayan. Paano natin? Ano nangyari dito sa ating ayan. Cellphone. Ayan ang ating cherry. 8 million viewers in the house. May shout out. So, the rain stopped. The rain is stopped already, guys. So, pagdating ko dito, grabe yung ulan. So, ngayon naman, ayan na siya. So, shout out to all. 8 million viewers in the house. So, magpikwik muna tayo. Magwa 1 hour muna tayo for watch hour. While dito muna tayo. Wala, bakit ba? No space. Delete muna natin ito. Mega loud shout out sa lahat dyan. 4 million viewers, shout out. So. Ang lamig. Magsira muna tayo. What life you offer me when I'm growing old. Hi, New Tiris Gardening and Vlog. Hello, shout out. Good evening, good afternoon. Here in Europe, it's 2:40 p.m. It's 2:40 p.m. Good evening, Asia. Today is evening. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 p.m. in Philippines. How about in India? New Terrace. The same in Philippines. I think it's 8 p.m. I think it's 8 p.m. in Philippines and India. They are the same time. Here in Europe, it's 14:39. It's 2:40, almost 2:40. Shout out, New Terrace. I'm going to list your name and I'm going to play later. So I don't have any extra phone here inside the car. So later I'm gonna write it. Thank you. Tamsak lang sa kalam. Please like, share, comments, and subscribe. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, world. It's 6 people in the house. Shout out. Danica Vokalyevich or Vich. Miguel out shout out. Danica Vokalyevich. Shout out is Lipi Pusdrav is Trugira Hervatska. Shout out everybody. Nutiris Vlog, thanks for coming, friend. You always supported me, and likewise I'm going to support you too. Thank you, Danica Vukalyovich. Hvala lipa. Thanks for the like. Prestati si Svija mi. Hvala. Yes, please subscribe the Porina in Croatia. 8 million viewers in the house. Shout out. Now in Truger in Croatia, the rain is stopped. But springtime here this year is not good. Always rain, it's cold, it's freezing cold during dawn time, morning. Oof. Before, I can already transplant my seedlings, my Filipino vegetables, but now I cannot move in the garden. It's not Lucy Vremena. Eric Kid, shout out, thanks Eric. Okay, lilista kita, Lods, ipi-play kita mamaya. New Terrace Gardening Vlog and Eric Kids. Babawi ako sa inyo. Salamat, 9 million viewers in the house. Shout out. So, i-highlights ko muna to, pero meron tayong dagdag na video.